Alright, we're riding the unicycle. We're going to go down to the falls, see what's happening there. But the end result is we're going to go into one of the trails. Get the drone in the air because you're allowed to use a unicycle. No, wait. Because you're allowed to use a drone in national parks now in WA. And I think that's really awesome. I really don't have a belt. Sorry, guys. Alright, we're here at the falls.
Wow. Nice brakes, brother.
Thank you. We're on. Alright, we're leaving the falls. I thought I'd lost my front wheel. I want to ride across this bridge with this. Alright, here we are riding along this bridge. It's very, very, very narrow. Phew! Bet you don't see this every day. Phew! Unicycle, almost tripped. I don't really want to try. Don't really feel like dying today. We're back. Let me show you Serpentine Falls from a height. Look at all those people down there. You! Oh, it echoes. You know what I'm like with echoes. Hello! Alright, let's keep going. I just got 1,000 questions from a little kid just down there. How did I ride this? How did I learn? How did I... everything. It's getting heavy. Anyone got a rollerblades? Woo! Thanks Target for the shirt.
Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now. Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubt, 'cause
The drone crashed. Well, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. My apologies as I didn't have my GoPro stick, so I had to just use my arm. Hope you enjoyed.